home is where you belong. You are where the home is. I like black. So you can see the house is mostly covered with the dark color material.
In many of our previous episodes, we featured multiple terrace house transformation that had a huge influence and impact on homeowners in giving terrace houses more value. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be sharing with you a unique award-winning Terrace Hill Homes development within a gated and guarded community nestled within Desa Park city. This 5,300 square feet 3-story upscale signature park homes sits on the elevated site that enjoys breathtaking views that overlooks the KL city skyline to the west, Central Park on the east, and breathtaking views on the hills of the north. Now, before we begin, let me remind you, if you have not clicked on that subscribe button, do it now and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related content. In our previous episodes, we have featured multiple makeover projects, which gives a total facelift in giving a new identity and a lifestyle change to the new homeowners. When we first visited the property, the first impression we had was the property was surrounded by beautiful landscape, being a corner unit, but the layout of the property did not benefit from it at all. The existing ground floor plan features an underwhelming entrance to a hallway leading straight to the kitchen area, with walls separating the dining area it leads to. We couldn't really feel the spaciousness of the property because there were too many walls dividing the general space, and the house was literally relying on artificial lighting at most times. Understanding the client's brief, it wasn't a practical option to have the cooking area at the front, which would cause the oil to be redirected to the car porch, so we decided to demolish the entire kitchen and turn it into a powder room. What we did here was we moved the living area into the middle of the layout to greet the foyer instead. This made the entrance to the property feel more welcoming and roomy.
When they come into my house, so they will feel very cool. It's not like an ordinary house. There's some modern feel in this house. So actually, they are very impressed.
In New Infinity, we have always encouraged and educate our clients to alter the ego of practicality. We made an elegant statement in the living room with a ceiling-mounted Jessie tap and matching sink gilded in stylish black and copper hues, curated in collaboration with Spazio, a creative team that works closely with interior designers and architects to develop and ideate innovative design concepts. This distinctive Jessie fitting is inspired by the fluid and natural shapes of water, which uses soft and familiar contours to make any space feel personal and cozy, modern yet minimalist. The standalone basin sculptures as a conversational addition to the living area, and it is complemented by the tastefully selected wall light that gives this unique space a subtle glow. The living room is composed of a cool grey palette with shades of black, with the final touches of copper brimming across the carpentry details. The greatest impact to this transformation that makes the regular space look modern and luxurious was the choice of changing the floor tiles into marble flooring. We wanted to feel more open space and form a connection between every corner of the property. And here was when we decided to demolish the store underneath the staircase to create a mini rock garden, and also brought down a wall that opens up to the new dining area. By installing a low glass window in this space, we drew in more natural light to the living room. The client wanted a lift, and we decided to park the lift right alongside the staircase in a glass box. The lift comes with a revolutionary frameless concept and lighting that elevates the experience traveling up and down the lift. The lift is now recognized like a tower lantern to the neighbors. Before we bring you upstairs, let me bring you through the transformation of the rear side of the property. In the original floor plans, this was the living room with lots of height from its double volume ceiling. After thorough discussion between the design team and the owner, we decided to create a mezzanine floor on the top of the dining area to give extra room to the property. With a lower ceiling for the dining area, we decided to create a statement that shows off our creativity, and this was what the outcome turned out to be. An organic form that displays the team's mastery of craftsmanship, adding dimension and depth to the space. Its curved corners make the entire space more visually pleasing and cohesive. The existing property had a few irregular columns at the rear. We decided to build some carpentry works to align the new stretch of wall and managed to even fit a hidden refrigerator between those columns. In the dry kitchen, we decided to make full use of this height to showcase a magnificent marble wall grandly complemented by this modern collar-shaped chandelier light that echoes through the double volume. The consistent cool grey colour palette of the living room is extended to the dry kitchen feature wall and also at the kitchen island. Each piece of marble was handpicked and painstakingly pieced one by one with care to form this grand masterpiece of marble.
So it's actually integrated with, with all the stones here. You can see, the island here, the stone and the high ceiling wall is actually similar stones. And then the dining table also, I'm getting the similar stones.
The selection of marble is a relatively key task to each of our every project. Of course, we could always opt to narrow our choices via pictures and videos, but to ensure the final outcome of the project meets our expectation, we chose to commit our time to the selection progress. In this project, we source our marble from Express Marble, the supply specialist in quality, custom-made marble products. They import natural stone and manufacture specially cut to size or custom-made slabs and surfaces in distinctive designs and patterns. Based on their professional expertise, they recommend suitable stones to customers, ensuring customer satisfaction in all their marble needs. Moving up to the first floor, the existing family hall was turned into a client's hobby space, showcasing a marvel of his cherished toy collection. As you gaze up towards the top of this collection, a minimalist organic form of a customized plaster ceiling feature completes this space with a subtle yet superlative glow. The most drastic change we made to the first floor was an extension to the void area above the dining area. We created a space-efficient home gym with an outdoor view and an abundance of natural light in this previously underutilized space. In the original floor plans, the first floor had 2 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathrooms. Here we decided to combine these 2 rooms into a spacious master bedroom with its own walk-in closet. The owner's love for black also extends to the bedroom, as well as a cool grey palette contrasted with black metallic accents and dark mahogany panels. We installed a stone feature wall. When the lights are dim, its natural texture accentuated by the shadow cast by the linear light creates an extraordinary ambience to the bedroom. The walk-in shower forms a glass box that is fully visible in the bedroom. Although the walk-in shower parades as a glass box, with a touch of a button, the glass turns opaque, ensuring privacy when necessary. The spacious walk-in closet is designed in shades of mahogany, framed by black glass doors and black metallic accents in the wardrobe handles and sliding doors. On the second floor, we divided both the rooms for the kids evenly. We customized their rooms according to their lifestyles and interests. We drastically changed the right side of the floor plan by demolishing the yard, maid's room and bath, and connecting it to the room to make a huge walk-in closet for the daughter. In this case, the spacious walk-in closet was also smartly integrated with ceiling-high mirrors to also function as a personal dance studio for the family's daughter who dances ballet. The original master bedroom on the second floor became the son's bedroom. The son's bedroom immediately greets you with a vibrant gaming-themed bedroom. Adorning the headboard is a light design of a dinosaur pixel art with a built-in shelf to showcase his toy collection. Effective space planning for a home takes into careful consideration the layout, function, and needs of its residents to craft a meticulous design for each corner of the property. Without effective space planning, rooms or even the entire home can lack a cohesive sense of function of its residents. We hope that you learned a thing or two from these space planning tips we shared in today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture, please support us by clicking on the subscribe button and stay in the loop of more of our upcoming design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.